All right, boys, so today, most of y'all don't give a rat's ass. I'll just give him a new one. Most of y'all don't give a rat's ass about the bike stuff, but I love it. And I had a lot of fun this summer riding bikes for the first time, so as some of y'all dedicated folks know, I picked this project up, and old Floyd volunteered us his time today.
Yes, sir.
To help get this thing put together, and he is very confident that we can be riding this thing by the end of the day. So I'm gonna set up a time lapse so I'm not holding the camera every 10 seconds, and just basically set this thing up, and you guys are gonna watch us slap. We got to do the radiators. He's working on the grips right now, and then I got the diaphragm and the cover for the front brakes. Put some front brake fluid in it, radiators, hoses, put water in it, which I might have to go get some coolant. And then the exhaust is hooked up, I already did that. And then put a filter on it, tank, seat, and then we're gonna change our sprockets, get the chain on, get everything set up with the swing arm, get everything tightened up, and then the chain rollers. And that's pretty much it. Plastics, I guess. So let's get to work. Well, our front brake, I think I'm just going to buy a new, I probably won't deal with a rebuild kit. I'll just go ahead and buy a whole new thing, because I think this was exposed for so long that
Ew.
we tried taking it apart and cleaning it out, and we did, and it's either that or I'm going to buy a vacuum bleeder kit for these. Justin found one of them, so I think I'm going to get that, because I know these lines probably didn't have anything in them for a long time. So we'll use that to try to get some pressure pulled in there and see if it'll cooperate. If not, I'll just replace it. We got the radiators on. We'll put some water in it here in a minute. Got the gas tank all hooked up. We just slid the rear wheel on, and we're fitting to get oh, that's some of the bitches on there.
Yeah.
I have a fatter Phillips, I'll get.
Okay.
But anyways, yeah. So we're close. We just got to change the front sprocket, slide the chain on, and look over everything one more time, and then see if we can fire this old bitch up. Well, I forgot to record us trying to kick it for 5 years, but I think it was just the coil wasn't all the way down on the plug. Well, this is the part where I can pretend we haven't already tried to start it and make it look like it starts on the first kick.
Hey,
How about that?
ready, break. Did you remove the melted plastic?
It's not removed. It's just moved.
It's situated in
Relocation.
a different aspect. All right. Kick 103.
103. Okay. I don't want to wait that long.
I don't know if it'll run out. Baller. Well, boys, I say she humdings.
I think we got a winner.
Yeah. So I got a list of stuff to get. I'm gonna get a vacuum bleeder for these because we couldn't get the back brake to bleed either. Got fluid through it, but it just wouldn't build any pressure. So, and I'm also gonna watch some videos on how to do it because I might not be doing it right.
That is a smoky bitch.
Yeah. Well, that's the first time it's been fired on that pipe. Letting all that packing.
It could be burning up or melting some of that packing, but
responds to throttle pretty good. Might need to adjust the carburetor just to cut here. It doesn't like a hard tip in, but you know that's easy stuff to do later on. So got to get something to bleed the brakes because the front or back brakes won't bleed. And then wasn't there something else I was missing? You said I needed to get.
We need to get a.
Oh, I need this front brake tie thing.
Yep.
That. And then, man,
We need to find a motor mount or
Bolt.
the.
Yep, motor mount
Screw.
bolt. And then the cage. I need the cage
Yep.
thing that goes
Cage
inside
for
the air filter.
I would go ahead. I would find another axle nut if you can find one. That one's pretty rounded off and
Gnarly. Okay.
So I'd get another
Easy.
one.
I'll just order both of those. Rocky Mountain ATV's got this nice little thing where you can enter in what machine you got, and they got like all the parts diagrams and all that. So that's cool. It's nice and cheeky. So I can go in there and get the exact bolts for those. What else you think? Oh, and I need the little seal O-ring that goes on the petcock right there because it's leaking gas all over the bottom of the tank. My ghetto used eBay tank is leaking.
So, you want to go find out what being in VTEC full-time is like?
Yeah, yeah.
That thing's scary as shit, man.
He'll ride the fuck out of it.
Please do. Yeah, that thing's absurd.
But that's gonna be it for this bike's day. We appreciate old Fluid coming out and making the shit happen. And hopefully we'll catch some races with him next year.
We don't got a lot left to do.
No, we're real close. We made an ass ton of progress today, so we'll close out with a little bit of yee action on old Dylan's KTM
It's a bit hot fire.
and Casey's
What the fuck?
Casey's
Shit right there?
he did the 3-wheel motion wrong. You didn't do it right, man. That's not how you're supposed to do that.
I never do anything right.
I see that.
You'll be kind enough to help me drop this off the bed on the track.
All right, boys. We'll close out with some shitty 2-stroke sound. That's all he does is ride okra, like a batshit crazy.
The little series.
Yeah, he made one race.
Oh, did he? Oh,
Yeah, and he won it. Yeah, he rode his bike he brought out. He broke the chain that day.
Oh, really?
Like in practice, and he rode James's Chinese once and fucking decimated. Well, I'll be damned. Oh, I gotta put my helmet on. Yeah, I'm that guy.
I'll give me a slow little go.
Yeah.
Why don't you get around like
Get you some. Yeah, cause I'm gonna take it down the road, so I'm gonna get my shit. Damn, this bitch is rowdy. Fast as shit though. That's a spicy bitch. Let's see. There's one thing two-strokes will always do to me. I can't anticipate all these two-strokes I've ever rode. Every single one of them, the power band is It's a little peppy from my experience. It's a spicy unit, sir. It's very neat, indeed.
She's a good noodle.
It is. It's a very good noodle. I like.
Should bring me some monies.
Yeah.
Hopefully. People are cheap.
Yeah, if anybody's most of my subscribers seem to be in Texas and not give a flying shit about dirt bikes, but if anybody's interested, this what year was it again?
2011.
It's an 11 KTM 200 XC
with the gangsters.
Yeah, it's got a lot of spicy upgrades. I mean, it looks baller as fuck for one.
Yeah.
It looks good, and I mean, it rides pretty good. I have no damn experience, so don't judge my riding. Justin ride pretty good, but he ain't got his gear on. He would have went full bat shit if he had his gear on. But yeah.
I mean, it's got carbon fiber reeds, fucking upgraded carbs, you know, that fucking intake right there, and
it's nice. What was your asking price, sir?
$3,500 or best offer, maybe trades if I like what you got.
Okay.
I like fun things that I can walk down the beach with.
Ooh. So don't come at him with no petty bullshit, but if it just so happens that any of you are interested, we are local to OKC, but every once in a while Dylan's been known to travel.
10,000 miles in the last month and a half.
Yeah, dude, that's insane. It's almost at 11, dude. It's 10-9.
It's almost at 11, yeah. October 19th. That's nuts.
Anyways, boys, yeah, if you want to buy this, it's a nice bike. It's a good time of year to buy.
That's true. It's a good fucking deal. I don't think you can... I mean, the wheels alone is $1,600. So, half of the fucking price is literally in your wheel setup.
So, yeah.